Welcome back from the ad break, and let's continue with our lesson, where in this part of the lesson, we are going to wrap up our lesson. So, firstly, we are going to look at that concept map that we focused on in the beginning. So, we know that in this lesson, we looked at comparing and representing integers in exponential form. Then we looked at that first exponent law, which was multiplication of powers of the same base. Then lastly, we looked at the second law of exponents, and that was division of powers of the same base. So let us look at the keywords that we were using during this lesson, and those are the power, the base, and the exponents. Now let's look at the common errors that we should look out for, or things that you should look out for when you are working with exponents. Now the first one there says, when comparing integers in exponential form, it is common to multiply the base with the exponent. For example, 2 exponent 3 becomes 6. Now this is incorrect because 2 exponent 3 is equals to 2 multiplied by 2 multiplied by 2 again, which of course we know would give us an answer of 8. So make sure that you expand each exponential form first before you can compare those values. Then the next one there says, when multiplying powers of the same base, it is common to multiply the exponents as well. For example, when we have 3 exponent 2 multiplied by 3 exponent 4, then we say 3 as the base, and we multiply the exponents, which is 2 multiplied by 4. This is incorrect. The correct procedure would be to add the exponents. So it would be 3 exponent 2 multiplied by 3 exponent 4, and this would give us 3 exponent 6. So make sure that when we multiply powers of the same base, we add those exponents. Then lastly, we have when we are dividing powers of the same base, it is common to also divide the exponents. Now, make sure that when we divide powers of the same base, we subtract the exponents, not divide them. Let's end off our lesson with a nice challenge. So our challenge reads there, use the exponential laws learned so far to calculate the following without using a calculator. Write down your answer in exponential form and as a numerical value. So we need to solve here where we have x exponent 5, b squared multiplied by x squared, b cubed, and this is all divided by x exponent 7, b exponent 5. And that is the end of our wonderful lesson. We're glad that you joined us, and we hope to see you next time. Goodbye.